Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ya Kalempong, Young Leader Connect, kebalong kerensan jo kisama rang ba ki bapau khmat jong kani kathan chite lamingi. Ansa pelong ya kejelang ke ba arsngi kata hakar penyo bar apa pratrik matau bna risau. Arja katpra hapo ke conference hall jong ke North Eastern Council Shillong. Ki dikot akani ke Young Leader Connect ki kentop yo menteri rang ba kejela Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma u menteri khana katnat ki kampo yeng jong kasor karpleng ukiran Rijiju u kapten barim jong kanhoni lek kai football kari India u Baiching Bhutia u waini ki MP na kejela Assam u Saraf Gogoi u waini ki nong khai bapau kani kejela u balong ru utrai jong Shillong Lajong Football Club u ba Larsing Meng Sawian bat kiwe ki ri pakmat na kejela jong ni kathan chite lami ngi kari India hakani kejelang ka ba arsngi on seyatai sani ba kumno ban thau ban aji kai ki samla jong ni kathan chite lami ngi halor ka kam kamai ka ji bat kiwe de kila thau kam thau jam.
Focus on at least one area, so that's why we chose entrepreneurship, because we felt like the youth from the region are too, very dependent mostly on the government and stuff. So we wanted to generate self-employment through entrepreneurship, create jobs through entrepreneurship, and that's why we have been focusing on creating an ecosystem for entrepreneurs, and with that we have been grooming and mentoring about 20 entrepreneurs from the region, and in the future we want to do more so that we can create more role models for the youth. We have had a lot of youngsters and students who come and participate and engage with some of the young achievers and leaders from the Northeast. And every edition we have had at least 400-500 people turn out. And so we've been engaging with them, something which is more concrete is like we talked about. We have created a fellowship of entrepreneurs
called Northeast Entrepreneurship Fellowship. So we've just started the first cohort this year, and tomorrow we'll be having the graduation event for them as well. During the inaugural session, we'll be giving out the certificates. So it's called Northeast Entrepreneurship Fellowship.